Is Google Chrome closing or crashing on its own right after you open it on Windows 11? This is a common issue that can be happen due to corrupted settings, permission conflicts, or a faulty installation. The good news is it's usually easy to fix. Here are three simple methods from quickest to most slow that you can try to solve the problem. Step 1. Run Chrome as administrator. Sometimes Chrome crashes because it doesn't have the right permission to run properly. Giving administrator access can often solve this. First, open the Start menu on your computer and search for Chrome. Right click on the Chrome app and select Open File Location. When the folder opens, right click the Chrome shortcut again and select Open File Location once more. This takes you to the actual installation folder. You will now see the chrome.exe file. Right click on it and select Properties. From the tabs at the top of the pop-up window, click the Compatibility tab. Check the box next to run this program as an administrator. Finally, click Apply and then click OK to save the changes. Now right click the Chrome icon and choose Run as Administrator to open it and check if the problem has been solved. If Chrome opens normally and it stays open this time, you are all set. Step 2. Reset Chrome settings. If the first method didn't work, or if Chrome opens but closes again after a few seconds, a corrupted settings or extension might be the culprit. Resetting Chrome to its default state can clear this up. To do this, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Scroll down the menu and click Settings. From the left side menu, select Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm by clicking Reset Settings in the pop-up window. This will disable your extension, clear temporary data like cookies and cache, and reset your home page and new tab settings. But it won't delete your bookmarks or save password. Step 3. Reinstall Chrome. If Chrome is still misbehaving after trying the steps above, the installation file themselves may be damaged. A clean reinstall is the most reliable fix at this point. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Apps from the left panel, then click Install Apps. Search for Chrome using the search box. Click the three horizontal dots next to the Chrome and select Uninstall. And follow the prompts to completely remove it from your computer. After Chrome has been uninstalled, open another browser on your computer such as Microsoft Edge. Search for Chrome download, then download and install the latest version directly from Google's official website to avoid any fake or outdated installers. Once Chrome has been installed, open the browser again and give it a moment to load. In most cases, this fresh install resolve any lingering issues and the problem of Chrome closing automatically should be completely gone. If it still happens after all three methods, it may be worth checking your antivirus software or running a malware scan, as conflicting programs can sometimes cause similar crashes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.